let in, shut out. Let in, to allow someone to enter. Shut out, to prevent someone from entering. Hold on. Let go. Hold on, to wait or to grip something tightly. Let go, to release something or stop holding it. Look after. Neglect. Look after, to take care of someone or something. Neglect, to fail to take care of something or someone. Look up to. Look down on. Look up to admire or respect someone. Look down on, to regard someone as inferior. Give in. Stand firm. Give in, to yield or surrender to something. Stand firm, to refuse to change your position or opinion. Run into. Run away. Run into, to meet or encounter someone unexpectedly. Run away, to escape from a situation or place. Take on. Lay off. Take on, to hire or accept new responsibilities. Lay off, to dismiss employees from a job. Set up. Break down. Set up, to establish or arrange something. Break down, to dismantle or disassemble something. Take up. Give up. Take up, to start doing something new, like a hobby. Give up, to stop doing something, usually because it's difficult or uninteresting. Break down. Build up. Break down, to stop functioning, a machine, or to deteriorate. Build up, to strengthen or increase. Check in. Check out. Check in, to register or arrive at a hotel, airport, etc. Check out, to leave or pay the bill at a hotel or to borrow something from a library. Put in. Take out. Put in, to insert or contribute something. Take out, to remove something. Move in. Move out. Move in, to begin living in a new place. Move out, to leave a place where you have been living. put off, bring forward. Put off, to delay something. Bring forward, to move something to an earlier time. Catch up, fall behind. Catch up, to reach the same level or standard as others. Fall behind, to fail to keep up with others. Bring up, drop. Bring up, to mention or introduce a topic in conversation. Drop, to stop discussing or pursuing something. Go ahead. Hold back. Go ahead, to proceed with something. Hold back, to hesitate or delay action. Speak up. Pipe down. Speak up, to speak louder or more assertively. Pipe down, to be quiet or lower one's voice. Bring down. Lift up. Bring down, to make someone sad or to lower something. Lift up, to raise something or to cheer someone up. Give back. Take away. Give back, to return something to its owner. Take away, to remove something from someone. Back up. Go forward. Back up, to reverse or move backward. Go forward, to proceed or move ahead. Run out of. Stock up on. Run out of, to exhaust the supply of something. Stock up on, to accumulate or buy in large quantities. Come in. Go out. Come in, to enter a place. Go out, to leave a place. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.